A Goa person will be made CM.
Central leader from maybe could be sent. That is
Maybe could be. Oh, let us wait. Now let the election be over. Let MLAs meet, and then they discuss, and the parliamentary board will take a final call.
But is it a fair practice, sir?
It is a fair practice.
Nothing wrong, na? If you are importing people from outside, either Italy or America or China, it's a bad practice. When you are going to have people who are based here, and then if the MLAs desire and the party decides, nothing wrong. What is? उन्होंने स्पष्ट कर दिया, नितिन गडकरी जी वरिष्ठ नेता है, अनुभवी है, उनको गोवा के बारे में मालूम है, वो हमारा पार्लियामेंट बोर्ड का सदस्य है, हमारा साथी है. उन्होंने जो कहा उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ अर्थ निकालने के लिए कोशिश नहीं करना चाहिए. You understand what it is and you people understand better what he means. The main issue in this round of elections, be it Goa, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Punjab, Manipur, is the need to strengthen the hands of Sri Narendra Modi to continue the development agenda he has started, the transformation he started bringing to the country. He has given a three-line mantra: reform, perform, transform. Was given a clear mandate by the people at the center, but the opposition has been putting spokes because we don't have the needed number in the upper house, Rajya Sabha. They were delaying bills, they are creating obstacles, and finally, because of public pressure, sometimes they fall in line. Otherwise, they are delaying every legislation. The composition of Rajya Sabha depends on the outcome of the state elections. Goa has seen progress during the BJP's 9-year tenure, whether it is development or welfare. Significant development and welfare has taken place during the BJP regime. So BJP wants the people to judge it on its performance, both at the center and the state, vis-a-vis development and welfare. And secondly, BJP wants the people to vote for continuity of development. I don't want to react on individuals, RSS, Swayamsevaks. They know what is right, what is wrong.
But this is perhaps the first time such a thing has happened in the country. Where an entire unit has distanced itself.
I don't agree with your assessment. The Swayamsevaks, they all know what is good in the interest of the state and in the interest of the country. And they will act accordingly. I have no doubt about it.
On demonetization and digitalization, will the BJP leadership make an effort to speak to the church?
It is their view. Our view is, country's view is different. Country's view is different. Country's view is this is long overdue. There is a parallel economy going on in the country. There is a counterfeit industry going on in the country. Our neighbor who is aiding, abetting, funding, training terrorists, they are all feeling that they are also affected. So we don't regret our decision and we ask all people to realize. They will realize. Some have realized before, some will realize after some time, then others will realize little later. And moreover, this is not aimed at church or temple or mosque. This is for the country. So where is the question of any particular institution getting involved into this? They have a right to express their view. They have expressed their view.
But Venkaiah ji, they have also expressed concern over freedom of expression across the country in that advisory. How you respond to this?
India is the first and foremost country where there is total freedom of expression. Total. You can call Prime Minister by name in this country. You call him Hitler. You call him Mussolini. And you can write articles. That is the freedom of expression in this country. You can criticize, you can accuse, and sometimes abuse also. Prime Minister also, that's also happening by our opponents. But still, there is freedom of expression in the country. There is no emergency. People who are talking about freedom of expression, they should remember emergency, where lakhs of people were put in jail. By which party? Where all media was censored. By which party? Fundamental rights were broken. By which party? All this happened during the Congress regime. I'm happy somebody is reminding me. I would request the younger generation, please remember what happened in 1975, June 26th onwards.